Hello and welcome to this video. Here we will discuss the homeopathic remedy named Crotalus horridus. Before we progress with this remedy, please subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon. Please watch this video till the end for full information about the Crotalus horridus. So let's begin with its common name first and its family. Source of Crotalus horridus is animal kingdom. Synonym is poison of rattlesnake group, Ophidia group, and belongs to family Crotalidae, and it was proved by Dr. Herring. Thermally, they are hot patient. Now let's talk about its introduction and history. So it was a first regular proved drug by Dr. Herring and his disciples. The snake is found in North America. Dr. Tyler remarks in her book Homeopathic Specifics, Crotalus horridus is in close relation with signs and symptoms of blood poisoning manifesting as black water fever. The snake is supposed to be cyanide hydrate of soda and other salts. It is known that the alcohol is natural solvent of cyanide hydrate, and because of this, alcohol has been used in great quantities in snake bites, and it has frequently prolonged and saved the life. Constitution, specially suited to the debilitated and broken down constitutions, particularly in drunkards. Sphere of action is mainly acts on blood and the central nervous system. It is the one of remedy of trials for hemorrhage, and pathophysiological changes are it acts on blood and causes the hemorrhage from every orifices of the body, and it also causes the great prostration of the vital force. Ailments from are vaccination, alcohol, sun, fright, fall, and water. Mind symptoms of Crotalus is they makes mistake in writing, weeping mood, aversion to his family, cross, irritable, weak memory, melancholic, and timid. Doctrine of signature is that the snake is extremely sensitive to heat, so it lives in deep burrows where it is cooler. The patient of Ophidia group was from the warmth by hot drinks in summer and sun. The snake is more ferocious and poisonous when hungry. The patient of Ophidia group is aggravated by fasting and ameliorated from eating. Snakes are poisonous. When we say the mind is poisoned, it means that there is a jealousy and suspicion. Suspicion and jealousy are the characteristic symptom of the patient. The snake coils itself from left to right, so as the symptoms of Ophidia group are proceeds from left to right side. Muttering delirium, forgets figures, names, and places, suspicious about his friends, and clouded perceptions, jumbles, and stumbles over this work. Fear of evil, feels as if surrounded by foes or hideous animal. Characteristic physical guiding symptoms: tongue is fiery red, smooth and polished, very swollen. Hemorrhage is blood from eyes, ears, nose, and every orifices of the body. Body sweats, bloody sweat. diphtheria, malignant diphtheria, edema of tonsils, pain aggravates from empty swallowing, apoplexy, apoplectic convulsion with hemorrhage or broken down constitution, diarrhea is stool thin, black, coffee ground, offensive in nature, vomiting is of bilious with anxiety and weak pulse every month after menstruation, black or coffee ground in color. Menopause is severe perspiration with prolonged metrorrhagia, dark fluid offensive, profound anemia, faintness, and sinking of the stomach, and the vicarious menstruation. Jaundice is malignant jaundice, hemolytic rather than hepatic. Eyes are keratitis, yellow color of conjunctiva, right sided. It is a strongly right sided remedy. Cravings for stimulus, sugar, or pork, aversion to meat. Important characteristic particulars: hemorrhage, it has a great tendency for hemorrhage. Blood is dark, decomposed fluid, and non coagulated blood flows from all orifices of the body. Eyes, ears, nose, and even more. The process from the pores of the skin. During the hemorrhage, skin becomes dry and cold. Patient wants fanning. Puerperial fever or the septic, typhoid, or malarial fever, also useful in zygomatic disease, indicated in broken down constitution due to septic condition, petechial eruption, and hemorrhage from all the orifices. Skin is yellow and sweating stain reddish in color. Tongue is fiery red, swollen, pulse is slow and weak, severe chills on black water fever. General modalities are from aggravation from falling to sleep, lying on the right side, in the open air, in the evening and the morning, in the spring, and on exertion. Amelioration by rest, motion, better by light, open air, by fanning. Remedy relationships are compared to naja, pyrogen, lachesis, and elapse. Antidotes lachesis and comparison in hemorrhage. Blood oozes from the mouth, anus, sexual organs. Black, rapidly developing anthem. Blood is non-coagulable from nose or from bowels. Crotalus horridus and hemamelis. Dark blood non-coagulable, Crotalus horridus, lachesis. If you have found value in this video to the homeopathic materia medica, please don't forget to like, share and comment this video. Let me know which remedy would you like me to develop next. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Dynamic Medicos.